Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Modic from your Tangem wallet to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into blockchain and want to keep your assets secure, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Tangem wallet and Ledger Nano X set up and connected to the internet. You'll also need some Modic in your Tangem wallet and familiarity with basic crypto transactions to avoid any hiccups. Remember, always double-check your wallet addresses to prevent any losses. Crypto waits for no one. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app on your device. Navigate to the Modic asset in your portfolio. This is usually found under the Assets or Tokens section. Once selected, look for the Withdraw or Send option and tap it. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input the receiving address from your Ledger Nano X. To get this, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer via USB, open the Ledger Live app, and go to the Ethereum or Polygon section, since Modic runs on the Polygon network. Copy the address carefully. Step 3. Set the amount of Modic you want to withdraw. Don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, Polygon transactions are still super affordable, but they can vary. Review the transaction summary to ensure everything looks correct. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on your Tangem wallet. You'll likely need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once approved, the funds will be sent to your Ledger Nano X. Step 5. Monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. It should take just a few minutes to confirm. Once it's done, check your Ledger Nano X in Ledger Live to see your Modic balance updated. A quick tip. Always use the Polygon network for Modic transfers to keep costs low and speeds high. If you run into issues, like connection problems, restart your devices or check for firmware updates. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Modic from Tangem wallet to Ledger Nano X in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.